This video is for a 2008 Trail Cruiser made by R-Vision. It's a model number 21RBH. Just want to walk around the outside showing its exceptional condition. It's got a little place out here in the front where there's a window that goes into the interior. Just in great shape all the way around. It's got an outside utility shower, very important. It's usually an option on most of these coaches. It's got a rear spare tire, outside ladder. Again, these are a lot of times are options on the coaches. This is kind of neat. It's got a little pack and play door. It's nice here is you pop this up, you put in a bicycle, gas grill, whatever you want to do there. You come on the interior, and this is just a great size for the area that we live in Colorado here. In the front here, you've got a nice seating area that you can easily sit six, maybe even 8 people around the outside. There's a queen bed in the rear, little bunk bed over top. Just really a cool layout, just an awesome layout. You look in the back, it's got a shower with a bathtub. A lot of units today do not have bathtubs. This unit does have a 3-burner cooktop, an oven, and also a microwave. A lot of units today do not have microwaves, or don't have ovens. They have just a convection microwave. Come over here, it's got a nice little double bowled sink. Now the one thing that you'll notice, there's a lot of stickers, things like that inside the unit. We bought this and a couple other ones at an auction. It was titled. It showed up on our lot as titled. But as far as I can tell, nobody used the sink. Nobody's ever turned on the stove. Microwave has never been put to use. You come back to the bathroom. The toilet has never been used. There's still plastic on the toilet. So we believe it came from a dealer that might have gone out of business and then they titled it. So we have to emphasize this is a used unit and will be sold as a used unit. But nobody used the bed, nobody used the toilet, nobody used the shower, nobody used the oven. So take that for what it's worth. So if you have any questions, please give me a call. My phone number is 888-310-7744. This is just an awesome little layout. If you do call, ask for Internet Mike. I certainly would appreciate it. That'll get you right to me. My website is www.gtwrv.com, and my internet site, or my email address is mike@gtwrv.com. Give me a buzz.